Alright kids, Ham and Cheese back here with you again today. And as the title of this video suggests, this vacuum sucks. Okay? And why does it suck? Because that's exactly what it's supposed to do. This vacuum that comes to us from Harbor Freight, this is the Bauer 20-volt cordless vacuum. And it is their model number 64148. You can see that right there. Is a stellar buy at $39.99. Now, I picked this one up off of the return table that we have at our local Harbor Freight during the last parking lot sale, and I got this thing for like, I don't know, 18 bucks or something like that. It is tool only. It does not come with the battery. I just have that on there to hold it in place. But what you do get with it, of course, is the vacuum. You get this extension wand, the brush, the crevice tool, and then this floor tool as well. And even though it doesn't have a brush on the front of it, does have this nice rubber plate on, or rubber strip on it, and it articulates. It can come in any direction, as you can see here. And this thing does a hell of a job of cleaning up. We tested it out here just recently in the shack. We're working on a project, which you'll see in an upcoming video. We made a huge mess with a bunch of plastic and metal, and we used this to clean it up, and it was great. The other thing with it is, it's got this huge dust cup inside. I'll show you that real quick. Right there. And it comes with filters. It's got 3 filters that go inside of this. You can see down in the bottom there. You actually take this little rubber ring out and you can replace those filters and wash them. So there it is. If you're thinking about picking something up or you need a new vacuum, don't hesitate on this one. It's an absolute winner. Also, keep in mind, with the Harbor Freight coupons coming out, they got 15% off this week. They got the parking lot sale coming up in a couple weeks. You see one of these sitting on the table, especially if that parking lot sale, and it's already marked down, they're going to mark them down again. You might get it as much as 72% off. So you might even be able to get it cheaper than I do. And for the price point, even if you pay the full $39.99 for it, it's an absolute winner. Alright, so there it is, kids. The Bauer 20-volt cordless vac from Harbor Freight. Totally worth it. Go get yourself one if you're in the Bauer line. And if not, maybe consider getting in the Bauer line if you're looking for cordless tools on the cheap and easy, just like me. Alright kids, there it is. Thanks for watching. 7-3. Take care.